All right, so I'm gonna explain the parts of the tubing before I actually start. So this is the spike. This part needs to remain sterile. This is the drip chamber. This is the first Y port, and this is a slider clamp that you can use. This is the cassette that goes into the IV pump. This is the roller clamp that you use to control the fluid, and I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it down before I start. This is another slider clamp that you can use. This is the second Y port, and then this is the cap, which is the second part that needs to remain sterile. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and spike the bag, and the clamp's already shut. All right, so I'm gonna come over here and pop the blue cap off, and take the cap off that. And then I'm going to spike this by pushing it in and twisting. And the clamp's already closed. Then I'm gonna come up here and hang the bag. All right. So the first thing to do is the drip chamber. So you're gonna squeeze it till it's halfway full. All right. Then I'm going to unclamp the roller clamp slowly till the water goes down to the first Y port. All right, then I'm going to clamp it off. I'm going to turn this upside down and flick the bubbles out of it. All right, then I'm going to unclamp the roller clamp just a little bit, so the water can come through the cassette. All right, then I'm going to clamp that off, and I'm going to flip the bubbles out of that. All right, and then I'm going to unclamp the roller clamp slightly until I watch the water go down to the second Y port. Then I'm going to close that off. And then I'm going to push the air bubbles out of that. And then the water will be ready to come out here and connect to the IV.